Hey everyone, Andrew here. So today I would like to teach you how to find a missing factor if you know the graph and you know one of the factors. So the first thing is they tell us that we have a third degree polynomial. When I look at my given factor, I notice that I only have a power of 2. So that means I have a second degree factor here. And therefore 1 degree factor is missing. So in other words, a 1 degree factor is just a simple binomial where it's going to be x plus or minus some value. When you look at the graph now over here, it only intersects the x-axis at one particular location. And it intersects that x-axis at x is equal to -1. Now remember, that would mean that x is going to be equal, right, to -1. If I had to work back to the factor that produces this x value, I basically have to add 1 to both sides, and then I get x plus 1 equals 0. And you might now recognize this as the factor. In other words, the missing factor in this problem is going to be x plus 1. Simply put, when you look at this particular graph, since there's only one x-intercept and the roots, or I should say, the roots, I guess, and the factors basically as well, but of this quadratic, or of this second degree polynomial, all the roots here, if you were to kind of find the roots here, they would be imaginary roots. You could plug it into your calculator, do whatever you like, but this would be now the missing factor. Guys, thanks very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If this video helped you out at all, if you don't mind liking and subscribing, that'd be amazing. Maybe even telling some of your classmates. We'd appreciate it so very much. I look forward to helping you with more problems. Check out our channel. Take care.